Hey LinkedIn, it's your friend Stefan Lubinsky. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend John Ferrara and his team at Nimble CRM for the amazing job they did with the recent upgrades. Now, I've always been a fan of Nimble, the social CRM, because it's the CRM for people who hate CRMs. It's just, well, it just works and it's not complicated and it's intuitive. It's why I've always liked it. Also, their social prospecting tool, the ability to add people into your database wherever you might be out there floating in the web and on social, it's really unbelievable. And it's why I've always recommended it to the clients that I work with. Consultants, salespeople, anybody that's responsible for their own sales and marketing, Nimble is the perfect fit. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just the right fit. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And the recent updates, amazing. Let me show you a few of them. Hey guys, okay, welcome to my laptop. Here is the dashboard. Once you log in, this is what you land on, and it is a great place to start your day and really just get a quick snapshot of what you've got going on. Now, I don't want to scroll down because there's no need for you to be all up in my business, but just to show you what kind of widgets that you can have on your dashboard, you can have your deals, the events that you've got coming up, which of course links to your calendar, what tasks you've got to tackle for the day. Take a look at your pipeline, your email tracking, and your funnel. Now, taking a look visually at that pipeline, the funnel is really important because it helps you identify some prospects that might be getting stuck in a stage longer than they should be, and that will maybe change up what you're going to be doing for the day. So it is a great place to start your day. Okay, but let me show you a couple of things that they have changed that I really like. Most importantly, that contact page, because often that's the page you're going to be working from, right? You've got a lot of calls to make, and before you make that call, you open up your CRM. Again, you open up your CRM at the beginning of the day, but you open up the contact record of the person that you're going to speak to. This is John Ferrara. He's the CEO at Nimble, because I didn't want to show a contact of one of my clients or prospects. But what I really like here, obviously, all the contact information, so simple right here. Most importantly, though, right here, all of our interactions, so that before I jump on a call with John, I am reminded of what we spoke of last, what's the handoff, what was said. This is how you can be totally prepared and have a great conversation and not be winging it or off the cuff. So lots of information all on one page, all about your relationship with that lead, that prospect, or that client. You can see how much information is stored on this page. And of course, these are all the things that you can do. I can add a note. I can log an activity like we just got off a phone call. I can schedule something upcoming. I can send him a message, or I can now add a deal and say, you know what, John and I, looks like we're going to be doing business. I'm going to create a deal that becomes part of my pipeline, and I can review those deals right up here. But again, no need for you to be up in my business, so I won't be clicking on that. But if you get a trial of Nimble, you will see exactly what some of these pages look like. But let me show you two of my absolute favorite things about Nimble. One of them is this little alarm bell here that is red if you have a new notification. And what this does is tracks emails. This is unbelievable. So what you're able to do, whether it's with Outlook or Gmail, and I'm sure other email providers, is connect Nimble. And when you go to create a new message, you just check this box right here. And guess what? I'm going to get notified when you open that email. Isn't that important? Now, rather than trying to follow up with somebody who's going to tell me, I did not get to that information you sent me yet, I'm sorry, you're going to have to call back some other time, I can skip that because now I'm aware of who's opened it and when. Now it says somebody for these particular emails because there are multiple CCs and it's only going to track the primary address. But most importantly, I know that primary person opened it. And guess what? Because of all these other opens, looks like all my CCs opened it too. So that is unbelievably powerful. Next thing I want to show you is, I don't know if they keep calling it the social prospector, but that's how I remember it and I love it. And that is, I'm out here on Twitter and I'm searching around for some people. Let me close that. I'm in a, let's say, for example, I'm in a hashtag and I'm looking for prospects, or I'm looking for people that I might be doing business with. And I find somebody like, oh, I really like this person right here. I want to add them to my list. I just click. I bring up Nimble here. I hover over her name. Boom. There she is. Now I add to Nimble. I can add in any other information that I might know about her. And then I can save. And I just took somebody that was out there on Twitter that I want to connect with, and I've just added them to a list. I've added them to my CRM. I can further segment later, but I can't tell you how cool that is. You notice I didn't toggle over to my CRM. I'm out here on Twitter. I could be over here in LinkedIn. Maybe I'm a member of a group, which is a great way. I'll just close this out. If you're a member of a group, it's a great way to connect with other people because you can connect with them even if you are not first degree connection because you're a member of the same group. What a great opportunity that is. So maybe I'm coming through here and I'm in this group and I don't know Brian, but I read some really cool stuff. I want to add him to my list. Once again, I just click on my Chrome extension for Nimble. I bring it up. Boom. Brian Montgomery loaded. Yes. Add him to my database. Add him to my CRM. Folks, it's as simple as that. I don't know of any CRM that you can do that. I mean, maybe they do. If they did, they got it from John. But for me, being able to be out there on the web, whether it's on LinkedIn, on Twitter, any number of other sites, and basically put my cursor over a profile and add them into Nimble. Now, furthermore, what it will do is, and you get a certain amount of credits for this. I'm not going to click on this right now, but if you click on it, it will actually go out and try to scrape the internet for as much contact information as possible. And you get a certain amount of these credits, and then you can buy more. But what that will do is try to find his email and his phone number and everything else. It is just crazy what you can do from a prospecting perspective with Nimble. So look, guys, hats off. You did an amazing job. I love this program for my tribe of solopreneurs, consultants, loan officers, realtors, you name it. If you're responsible for your own sales and marketing, you work at a WeWork or you work from home, this is the CRM for you. It is the perfect fit. It is the Goldilocks fit. Not too big, not too small, not too many features, not too few features. It's just right. I hope you found this helpful. And if you need any help with your sales, John Ferrara and Nimble will help you with a CRM, and I can help you with a sales content and messaging strategy. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.